guys from Lima, Peru. I woke up so late for our tour today. It's 8:38 right now, and the tour bus is gonna come pick us up at 9 o'clock. We have to run downstairs and have breakfast and all of that, but I will keep you guys updated on the tour and everything like that. This is the OOTD outfit of the day. Would you like to do an outfit of the day?
Well, you could. It's nothing.
I feel like we look like tourists wherever we go. But that's okay.
Cute tourist, though.
Yes.
Okay.
What's your sign? You are the shine. They looking more body no name so go 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 on and as you go 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 on me go keep on it so let's stop. This shit makes you expire soon.
To see from the top to the sea. So if you see any pirate or invader, no, you could realize from there during the colonial time.
What's your sign? You got the shine. They look in my body, no name so keep money.
Going back up to the hotel now. We're staying at a loft. I'm gonna show you guys like the lobby and stuff area. I think it's a really good hotel. Like if I came back to Peru to stay in Lima, I would definitely go back to this hotel. And then we're gonna go head to lunch and then go check out some local art. Anyways, so you walk in the front door, you have your closet. The bathroom is like right at the door. Good lighting and everything. So we have our little vanity, and then this mirror, full-length mirror back here. Through this door you have your toilet area and then the shower. And then the room is just over here. We just have one king-size bed. So that's that. You have your TV, outlets on both sides, your alarm clock, and then this is the hotel building. Seems to be a patio down there, and yeah. The tour guide had explained to us how like every single different cultural group that had immigrated to Peru at some point influenced their culture and like their cuisine and stuff. I really wanted to try Chinese and Peruvian food fusion. So there's a restaurant just like a quick walk from our hotel lobby. We're gonna try that out now. It's very noisy. Which place it was at? This is some Peruvian lemonade. So I think these are the wontons that I wanted when I spun the wheel. We're not sure. This is the food that I ordered. We have pork, spicy duck, chicken roasted in their Chinese oven, served with pickled veggies, Chinese pancakes, and sauce. So I'm gonna taste them now. Thank you.
Ready?
Yes.
Ginger?
Thank you.
Come with me, ginger.
Thank you so much. Figure out how to cross the street because it's very chaotic down here. Just walk around, work off this meal we just had. ready now. We walked around for a long time. We took like an hour-long walk, but now we are getting ready to head out to dinner. The tour guide had recommended to us this restaurant called Al Fresco, so I made us a reservation for 8 o'clock. I'll show you guys what I have on. It was 27 degrees this morning, but it still felt like, you know, pretty mild to me. So now it's dropped to like 24, 23 degrees. So I decided just to put on a jacket, and then I have on a tank top and some jeans and my Birkenstocks still. But yeah. Passion fruit sour.
It's like increasing in sourness. This is real sour.
Included? Thank you. Smell it when you're feeling nauseous from the almond juice. So today was kind of just a travel day, but we just got to our hotel. So I'm going to give you guys a hotel tour. So this is the room. Bathroom's over here. The toilet area. And then the shower area. Also have a balcony with a really good view. Today. This is what I'm wearing. I'm so excited. So we just arrived to the train station. Okay, so we had to wake up at like 4:30ish to get our car came to pick us up at like 5:40. So now we're at the train station. It's like 6:13 right now. Because we had to leave the hotel before breakfast was served, we got bag breakfast, which I'll show you guys what I got in a second. But right now we're just waiting for the train to come. We're gonna get on the train for about an hour and a half, and then we have to get on a bus. First, I have a sandwich, but you have to request this. Like, they don't just do it normally. Like, you have to remind them if you do this trip. Granola mix, crackers, peach juice. It's a 75% chance of rain today because it is rain season. So we packed ponchos, and it's pretty chilly right now because it's early in the morning, so we're wearing like, we layered. I feel like this is what it would feel like to be a part of Amazing Race.
Soy el grano llanta ungel vencedor, yo daré mi vida.
Solo esperaré, el link escogerá con quién me casaré.
Con mi fuerza deslumbraré. Eres tu amor.
So we just got off the train. Now we're at Machu Picchu City, but we're gonna take a bus to get to like the Machu Picchu ancient Inca, you know.
Wonder of the world.
Yes, the wonder, the one, yeah.
Feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind, even if I tried. Out of my mind, out of my mind. I know it's strange, decisions I made, but with you I feel safe.
We're here.
Never left my side, with me every night.
I was unaware that we had to walk there. I thought we were just gonna get here and then look, see everything, and then head home. But it's gonna be 2 hours up and then down. Yeah.
feel alive, feel alive. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind, even if I tried. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Oh, when I'm lost with you, I just go. No need to follow the road. You keep me on my soul, just fly when the wind blows.
Aquí, the most important Inca was Pachacuti.
Couldn't get you out of my mind, even if I tried. My troubling trouble to express emotions. I'm fumbling, juggling, looking for my focus. I'm lost in the element. I can't see that this all had an effect on me. L-I-F-E, I'm trying to give the best of me, but the future looking hard to foresee. Then it all goes back to you. I still remember the days when all I had was you. What I see in you is so hard to find. It makes me feel alive, feel alive. Feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind, even if I tried. Out of my mind. Whoa, when I'm lost with you, I just go. No need to follow the road. You keep me on my soul, just fly when the wind blows, wind blows.
We're back from Machu Picchu, the old mountain city. Now we're in like the city of Machu Picchu, or like the more modern one. We're at this restaurant called Mucacho. We have like an hour to kill before we have to head back to wait at the train station to catch our train back. But yeah, today was a really good and eventful day. It is raining, and as you can see, like the river has like doubled in size from when we drove up yesterday. And the water is very rough, so yeah, but all in all, I rated it 10 out of 10. I'm gonna order our food. Hopefully we're gonna try alpaca steak today. We'll save the guinea pig for tomorrow in Cusco, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how the food is. Potato fried with cream cheese, trout, and avocado on the inside. So we're gonna try it now. Focus, focus, focus. Alpaca steak just came, so we're gonna try that now. Oh my word! The texture is chicken, not so much beef. It's really good. Good morning, you guys. Today is day 6 in Peru. We are currently in Cusco. I didn't really record yesterday because all we really did was transport from the hotel in the Sacred Valley to this hotel in Cusco, and I was just kind of like drained. Plus we went at our highest altitude yet, so you know, trying to take it easy. Plus I hadn't eaten because the last hotel we were at, the food was not good. So the last time I ate was when I tried that alpaca steak, and then the next time I ate after that was like lunchtime yesterday, 24 hours. So anyways, I love this hotel. This is what I have on. Feels super cute. Today we just have a 4-hour walking tour, but we're about to go downstairs for the breakfast. I think I showed you guys our bathroom yesterday, but let me just give you guys a little overview. We have a little skylight, and then this is the bathroom, super cute. Half-day Cusco city walking tour at 2 o'clock, so we're just gonna go out and try and get some lunch really quickly first. Hopefully find like a little coffee shop just to pick up something small to eat. restaurant, Pachapapa, which has been recommended to us by 2 tour guides so far. And I'm going to try guinea pig. And then we also have a stuffed avocado salad here. I think this is the head part, body, bum. I'm gonna try the bum first, okay? Okay. I say like chicken. Morning, you guys. Today is technically our last excursion day. We're gonna be in Peru for 2 more days, but it'll just be like traveling back to Lima and then traveling back to Canada. So today we have a full day tour. We're in Puno, which is like where Lake Titicaca is. There's a few islands on Lake Titicaca, so all day we're gonna be catching what do you call it? Like boats and traveling to the different islands, I guess. Right now we're gonna have breakfast and then wait to be picked up with the rest of our group and then head out on our excursions. This is one of the last families living on a floating island, so one of the women is going to show us inside of her house. Very cozy. We have the opportunity to ride in one of the reed boats, so I'm going to try it out. Obviously I have to leave the camera on shore because I'm not risking this, just got it, but I'll take my phone, record what I can from there for you guys. So we're arriving to the second island now on Lake Titicaca. This one we're going to be having a traditional meal, so we have a 1.5-hour hike first to the other side of the island, and then they're going to give us, for our appetizer, it's going to be quinoa soup, and then for the main course we're going to have trout and rice and all that. So yeah, it's still raining. I'm not sure if I can take this camera out, but so for the hike I'll just hike, and then I will see you guys when it's time to eat.